Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And does your 25H2 feel a little sluggish? Did you find that 25H2 isn't up to par, and maybe you rolled back to 24H2 saying, well, my computer's kind of slow? I've noticed one thing on this machine is that there's a few things that are weird, but they're not. It's not broken. I mean, I can do my everyday stuff, but it feels weird. Doesn't feel up to par as to what I'm used to. Microsoft has today kind of admitted that 25H2 can be heavy due to a key security update. So what they did is they introduced a security measure in 25H2 to harden the Windows code, make Windows even more difficult to hack. And the thing is the common log file system, the CLFS driver, when you update it to 25H2 and Server 2025 for servers, this update adds a hash-based message authentication code. So what this does is, in order to work, it will actually accept new driver files, but it will have to assign to them a hash key and then apply a security measure to verify the hash key to make sure that things are, just talking about it seems sluggish. So this is to basically do a cryptographic mechanism to verify the integrity of and the authenticity of, I even have a hard time mentioning these words today, integrity and authenticity of the secret keys of the hash function, so that you know that everything works. But it comes to a price. Every time you had a layer, and every time you had a heavy layer of trying to, verify things, it makes Windows slower. And apparently 25H2, a lot of people have noticed that it's slower because of this. So it's not your imagination. Microsoft even had to do a blog post about it, mentioning this. Actually, the blog post was out yesterday on January the 12th. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.